Wow! Emotional damage.
What's up, everybody? Just another day in the life of somebody who owns a GT3 RS, you know? Just kidding! It's a Supra! The car's still not running. But soon, we finally got the parts in for the brakes. So I'm super excited to finally get this on the ground, test out the brakes, and see how the new big brake kit looks with the wheels on the ground. Had to start off the video with a shameless plug, 777s, GT3 RS door straps for the Supra. If you guys don't know, you don't have to buy a GT3 RS to own one, obviously. You can just put the door straps on it and pretend. These door straps are probably one of my favorite parts. It just feels and looks so motorsport or race car like. It works every single time. It's very high quality, and the way they 3D printed the, I don't know what this is, but it just looks so freaking good every time. And every time I take this car to a meet, everybody always asks, yo, where do you get those door straps? Well, I got them off of GT3 RS. I'm gonna go ahead and link that down below. Use code SAYIN for a discount at 777.com. Oh, what the? No way. Literally here. Wow. Cool guy. Wow, so cool. How is it whenever I start my vlogs, Jimmy shows up or somebody shows up right on time, and if you guys can tell, he got new wheels on. Whoa. Hold on, don't pull in. Pull in flat right here. What the? He got my dream wheels. Regamasters? Wow, cool guy.
Isn't it cool?
Dude, they're so fucking... Dude, the fucking tires are so meaty. What's the setup?
The tire's 275 40 18. Meaty.
Dude's running, I'm assuming this is a square setup?
Square.
Holy moly. 275 40s. What the heck? Dude, the 18s actually look really good. Dude, this looks crazy. All right, pull in. Because obviously my car's on jack stands. We can do the install, but I want to stay close to the garage, so you're just literally gonna pull up sideways. Holy shit, Desmond Regamasters. Oh, one of my dream wheels. Let's see. Oh, you're Gucci, bro.
It's the same height, I think.
Yeah, I think so. So Jimmy used to have 19s. He downsized to 18s, and obviously his car was so low he couldn't get in his driveway, but running a 40 profile tire, I think it's about the same height. It looks fucking good. Stay as close as you can, as tight as you can. Holy shit. I do have wheels coming. You know, seeing this now, I probably would have went 18s, but now with the new big brake kit, there's no way that was gonna fit under that. There's no way. Dude, it looks good.
It's so good.
You pulled off the Regas. Finally, some real wheels. Real JDM wheels.
Real JDM wheels.
Hot boys. We're not working on my car today. We're actually gonna be working on Jimmy's. My car's been on jack stands now for over a month and I haven't driven it. And what's been saving its life is the C-Tech trickle charger, keeping my battery nice and charged. In my video when I installed it, I forgot to press the AGM battery, so shout out to everybody who called me out on that. But dude, good value. Was I think 100 or less than 100, and it's just been keeping my battery alive this whole time. Yo, what are we installing today, buddy?
The JQ Werks steering wheel.
Wow, he's finally going full race car, and we're getting rid of this ugly big steering wheel.
Yeah, who wants it?
The JQ Werks steering wheel for Jimmy Supra. Oh my god. Magnetic paddles. If you don't have this steering wheel, at least get magnetic paddles. The difference between this unit and the KMP that I have, not really much. I really like the JQ Werks one because the buttons actually light up and it's connected by pins. So you can actually really disconnect your wheel from the hub. Jimmy was indecisive, so he picked up two different wheels. One is the leather sparkle wheel, which is nice because you don't have to wear gloves. And then he went race car with the OMP suede as well. Ooh. Jimmy, make sure your wheels are perfectly straight. It looks straight. But we're gonna disconnect the battery and then go ahead and remove the old steering wheel. Let's go. Shout out to Street Garage, by the way. for the shirt. Everybody DM him and he'll send you a free shirt. Tell him I sent you. With the old trunk struts, this would have fell down.
Oh yeah, that is true.
Plugging the charger, plugging the door straps, and now we're plugging these trunk struts too. Also linked in the description below. We making money out here. Before, that would have fell on his head, but holy moly. Replace your trunk struts if you guys got a big wing. 10 millimeter, remove this, disconnect the battery, place something here just in case the trunk closes so you don't get locked out. As I said, installing the steering wheel is super easy. The hardest part is what Jimmy's doing right now. Yeah, I don't know if you're gonna be able to see that, but essentially you just stick a flathead in there and you pop off. There's one clip here, 2 clips here. I forget how to do it. I hate removing the airbag, but removing the airbag's the hardest part.
I used a chopstick last time.
Ooh, I got another thing just like that.
The Supra, and I'm going to show you guys how to swap out that OEM steering wheel, which,
Thanks, bro.
let's be honest, leaves a lot.
They usually say this is the hardest part.
I already got the little pins in there. Piece of cake.
Fucking took 40 minutes that Brett got here. So Jimmy installed that aftermarket wheel before.
Yeah.
And we're not even gonna front, guys. This is the hardest part of the install.
We renewed that coming in too, though.
We broke shit. Hey, we gotta be real with them.
No more airbag for you.
Yeah.
No airbag.
It's okay. The airbag's still good, but some brackets broke on the wheel. But, you know, this is the most important part. So, we are good.
It's these freaking springs. BMW or Toyota design?
BMW. BMW for sure.
Should I put it in the door jamb?
Yeah, I'll put it in the door jamb. We're just sticker bombing Jimmy's car. All the 21 models and newer use a T60. So Jimmy ran to the store to go get it, and we're messing around, waiting for him. Dude, I ain't gonna lie, this is pretty nice. Wow. All right, while Brett and I wait for Jimmy, we're gonna go ahead and remove the aluminum paddles for the carbon paddles. Let's replace it and not even tell him we replaced it, and when he edits this video, he'll see what we did. Yeah.
You're tacky and I hate you.
We gotta do it before Jimmy gets back. Actually, really nice. Dude, we should screw with him. Put the up on the left and put the down on the right.
They're the wrong angle, though. We're not even telling him he'll have to edit this video, find out that they're wrong, then fix it.
Check it out.
I present to you the backwards steering wheel.
This is to go up, and this is to go down. You're welcome, Jimmy. I just installed the hub, T60 down. Now we're gonna go ahead and put the adapter for the actual, like, the mechanical hub or the whatever it is. I don't know the terms. I'm not a professional.
Don't worry, Jimmy. We used extra red Loctite.
So this is the JQ Werks. This is the hub for the wheel. Can you pull that out? What the? Why isn't it pulling out?
Okay. Holy cow.
It stays on. Holy shit, I thought we were. So everybody knows on my channel, I'm running the KMP steering wheel. And it's super cool, but I have the V1, which is always hardwired in. It does quick release, but I'm not ever able to take it into the house or just remove it from the car because it's stuck on there. But with this one, it's a true disconnect. And you still have all the OEM functions minus your airbag. All the electronics work every single time you attach or detach the hub. It comes with all the hardware.
Cool.
You can tune the buttons to do something else.
Should I use carbon fiber or this?
Carbon fiber.
Carbon fiber.
Do you want to switch it? We are now installing the airbag resistor, so you got to remove the panel right there. Not gonna lie, it was a little bitch if you're scared. Is there anything else?
Yeah, there's one thing down here.
Nope. It's definitely not that one. There has to be a clip. It was that one. It was that one. Okay, so.
Nope.
Oh my god, that bitch is strong, dude. Does Jimmy go with the Sparko or with the OMP? I really like the flat bottom.
I really like the flat bottom.
The flat bottom looks way better.
Maybe I just use this for track day because it's easy to take in and out, right?
So the long ones are used for the wheels, y'all. Read instructions. Please, don't do what we do. It's easy to uninstall. It'll only take 2 hours.
I think the car's come a long way in the last 24 hours.
In the last 24? Oh, that's funny. Let's go watch him plug in the battery. Oh, I can hear it. Car's powering on.
Explosion meme! Alright. Watch, it doesn't even fucking work. Oh.
It needs to click in, right?
Yeah. You should just click in.
And it lit up.
Hey, hold on. Mess with the your light dimming. You can. Oh. 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 Press the paddles. No jizz. No jizz.
No jizz.
No jizz. Give me a jizz face. Dude, that is so sick. Okay, that's actually kind of cool.
Okay, this is.
See, my KMP wheel doesn't do that, so I give that. And with the JQ Werks over the KMP, you actually get your horn.
It works.
The worst horn in the world. Volume knob. On the KMP, you have to press the volume. This one, the freaking knob works. Plus minus cruise control. These two buttons up top, you can program.
Okay, so that's like the changing from AM, FM, Sirius CarPlay. Volume rocker. It clicks in and out. You can change music up and down right here as well. And then this one, I have no idea. It might be the back buttons in left and right.
Oh.
When Jimmy runs his mouth,
I run off with a steering wheel.
the whole car.
That's fire. Wow.
Wow.
That is sick. Hey, do that again.
I guess people holding it.
Wow. So easy. New wheels and new wheel.
And new wheels.
Holy shit.
It's been a wheelie week.
Yeah.
It's a really fun week.
A wheel install. We're all done with that install. We started when it was bright as hell outside. It never works out like you plan. And I just made a reel about that. If you guys don't follow me on Instagram, click the Instagram and I'll show you guys exactly what I'm talking about right now. It was really lonely over here, guys. Oh. Jimmy's recap at the end. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace. It's been a day since we even, well, Jimmy's had these wheels on and we're gonna go eat. Oh, mother. Ooh, Jimmy's had the JQ Werks on for a full day. How do you like it so far, sir?
Really cool. Less rotation on the wheel because it's smaller. It feels really weird. Just feels like a toy, but also I know I can get killed if I don't treat it right. But yeah, just the fact that it's just so smaller. The lights are amazing. The cons right now are the stalks are a bit further.
Yeah, with the quick tilt on, mine's is even further. It's just something you have to deal with.
You kind of have to let go of your steering wheel to switch it, or you can reach pretty far. Kind of a lag between this. So it's like 3 or 4 clicks just to get 1 bar of volume up and down.
You also switched the steering wheel, what the hell?
Yeah, I just want to see what this one feels like. This one feels amazing. It's like $150, $200, so I don't mind getting it ruined. I did wear gloves on the drive here just to see what it felt like, but without gloves, it's pretty amazing.
Have you been driving in manual?
Yes. Paddle clicking is pretty cool. It's really loud compared to yours. It's a different click. I like your click better.
All right, let's go eat some Vietnamese food and get you guys some clicky ASMR. Dude, I really like your exhaust setup, actually.
Yeah, it's the only catless exhaust setup that I like. So
That
far.
isn't super loud.
Yeah, that's not annoying.
You got like the quieter version of the HKS. With the catless downpipe, it's actually pretty subtle. The magnetic paddles are louder than the exhaust. Did you guys know Jimmy's gonna go to Orlando for a month? I'm not gonna see this guy for a whole ass month. What can I install and surprise him with this time, right? Last time he was gone this long, his ECU got unlocked. In a month, he's coming back and we're wide bodying his car.
Hell no.
Renton Bistro in Renton. Some of the most authentic Asian food or Vietnamese food you can get.
I've never seen this place so empty.
For real, it's Super Bowl.
Super Bowl, call the hose.
My mama called.
Spice chicken noodle. Jimmy got some mum, the stinky.
It's so stinky. for all that stinky. Can I get coffee?
The HOV lanes.
Wow! Emotional damage.
Explosion meme.
That sounded good.
That sounded really fucking good.
Congratulations. Worked so I forgot how to vacation.